put it my mask up there. So this is the mouse, and we're gonna be unboxing it. So if you ever want this mouse, just go to this site, pause the video, and you can just buy that. Pause the video, and you can just buy that, and it'll probably come in now. So, and this is what the mouse looks like. There are different other types of mouse. I do have other types of mouse, like, I have a $20 mouse. I have two $20 mouses. I think maybe even, I don't know how much mouses I have, but I have a lot of mouses. And this is one I got, and we're gonna open this, and I'll do another video where I play on it. Maybe I hook it up to my iPad since I have a USB adapter. So let's open this. Now let me see how good the camera is. Guys, sorry about this camera. Hold on, maybe I can move my light. Hold on. Guys, okay, let me just. Gosh. Okay. Hey there, guys. There should be better camera quality. Sorry about that. So we're gonna be opening it. Let's put the camera a little bit back. Like that. Ah! The light is so burning my eyes. Okay. So guys, even though you cannot comment on this video, still like and subscribe, guys. And I'm trying to get to 20 subscribers by the end of the month. And so I want to reach that goal. Sorry about that, guys. Something happened to my light, so it's gonna, I don't know what's gonna happen to it. Something just happened to it, but anyway about that. So I'll fix that later. So let's open the box. Do I have the scissors? They're on my gaming desk. Okay, so we have everything. Now let's open this. So also, guys, just so quick, no one sponsors me, but I'm just sponsoring them. Please buy their mouses and their products. Thank you. So first, let's just so do it good. Just so if I need to return it, I can just okay. Sorry about that. Okay. Sorry, I was looking at my light, so I can't really see that good. Okay, let's do it there. Okay, so and guys, right now we're at 12 subs, so I want to get to 13. Sorry about this. I just want to actually, where does this lead? Okay, guys, so let's just open these parts. Guys, also, one more time, I'm sponsoring BENGOO. And buy their products, their gaming products. And also buy Red Dragon. Also buy Red Dragon because I have a Red Dragon. Okay, guys, here it is. It's right here. We're gonna open it. Now, I know it's in this. Guys, okay, so we have, we have a QR code. I'm not going to show you that. Okay, guys, so here it is. It looks pretty awesome. Guys, I'm going to open it. Hold on, guys, let me just see if it's good quality. So we're gonna open it in 3. Oh, last sponsor, just go buy the products now. Oh, we need to cut this off. Cut the cord off. So, come on, hurry. Okay. Yeah, I'm trying to be careful because I might cut the cord. Hurry. Okay, we'll just do that. But, oh my gosh, dude. This looks way better than I thought. Bro, let's show this. Okay, let's put this on camera. Dude, this looks so good. Let me move my light like right here. Oh my gosh, dude. Do you see this massive heat? Oh, and it's good camera quality. Okay, guys, so I'm going to end this video right here. Guys, please like and subscribe. Guys, you can just you can sub and like, but I prefer you to please subscribe because, guys, I'm trying to get to 20 subscribers by the end of and when it comes to 2022, I want to get to 100 subs. And if I don't, guys, I'll be frustrated. Then I'm gonna upload like every like 3 weeks. So guys, please like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe. Also, guys, if you guys beat me in rock paper scissors, even though you can comment, just do this. So, okay, this is 3 out of 1. So, rock paper scissors shoot. You guys beat me? Okay. Rock paper scissors shoot. You guys beat me? I don't know. Rock paper scissors shoot. Did I beat you? I don't know. Guys, if you can, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Oh boy.